Hey there, digital adventurers. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of playground AI. Buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey of creativity and imagination. Ready? Let's roll. First things first, head over to playgroundai.com and hit that Get Started button. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. Just sign up with your email and password, and voila, you're in. Now, take a look at this playground. We've got tools for importing images, moving and selecting elements, generating new images, and more. It's like having a digital art studio at your fingertips. Ah, the power of prompts. Type your message in the box, adjust the prompt guidance to control the image's fidelity, and choose the number of images you want to generate. It's like giving your creativity a GPS, guiding it to your desired destination. Let's say we want beautiful waterfall on a sunny day with many flowers and butterflies. Type in your prompt, tweak the settings and hit generate. Voila! We've got ourselves an amazing waterfall. But wait, there's more. You can move, rearrange, and compare your generated images with just a few clicks. It's like playing digital Tetris with your creativity. Feeling inspired by an existing image? Upload it as a reference, adjust the settings, and watch as Playground AI works its magic, transforming your vision into reality. It's like having a digital muse whispering in your ear. And let's not forget about filters. Want to add a touch of whimsy or drama to your creations? Just select your desired filter and let Playground AI do the rest. It's like adding sprinkles to your creativity sundae. And for those finishing touches, unleash your inner artist with painting and editing tools. Change colors, erase unwanted elements, and fine-tune your masterpiece until it's just right. It's like being a digital Michelangelo, sculpting pixels with finesse. And there you have it, folks. Your crash course in Playground AI mastery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more digital adventures. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating.